Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I've got a half cut crease. I'm going to try to zoom you in so you can see every detail of it. And yeah, let's get started. I'm going in with the P. Louise base in Rumor 1 and I'm just putting a little dot on the top of my brush and I just give it a swirl there and there. Just keep in mind to drag it a little bit outwards because we're going to make it pointy. We're going to start with the eye look. First I'm going in with the color blend and with the colors Zomer from the Nikkie Tutorials palette. It's a nice peachy color. I really love it. But I am going to use it on this part of my eye in the inner corner, but high up. So it's above that crease, that piece that we want to keep clean. And I am always trying to keep it as clean as possible. So it's just this inner third. And then I'm just going to blend that part out a little better. So it's almost touching my brow there. So for the next step, I'm going to use the color Blend and Snap. It's a Barbie pink, hot pink. And I am going to blend that right next to Zomer to give it a nice transition. Get a little more. So I am already defining my shape. So later on there is another color coming and that one is for the outer V. So I'm going to do this so it's nice and pointy, and if the point isn't coming there together you can always use a little bit concealer to correct that on at the bottom. So you can see when you are working very clean and you don't take too much on your brush that you already get that cut. So the only thing we need to do later on is to make it a little bit sharper, and that's that, so we don't have to take everything off, or that the concealer that you're using for the cut crease is mixing with the color underneath, so it isn't crisp anymore. And that is the goal that we have, so we want to work crisp, and this is for me a way to make it crisp. Then I'm going in with the color Slasher. It's a nice plum purple, and first I'm going to put that here on the outer third just to get the most pigment there. I really love the pigmentation of this purple, and I'm taking it upwards as you can see, and then I'm just going to let that pink and purple meet each other here. Ooh, it's gorgeous purple. So yeah, I really want this to have a nice transition. Yes, the transition is very nice now. I got a new brush by Boozy Shop, and this is the sharper, or sorry, this is the shader brush, but it's also nice for underneath the eyes. Okay, so I'm just going to fix something with the other eye because I don't like the way it looks. So at this stage I'm thinking, where's this going? But we're not done yet, so give me a sec. So I'm going back in with the P. Louise Rumor 1. What I just do is I put a lot here. So I'm just following that line that I already made. And it's going to be a half cut crease. Yeah, so now we are walking straight again. Now I'm going in with the color Plot Twist. It's a nice baby blue. Ooh, I really love this color. So now, to get out of the blue, oh, that is nice. When you mix these two together, it's going to be a little bit of lilac. Oh, yes, babe. I really like this so far. The blue, the purple, how it blends together. I adore that. My plan was to put in the pink back again, the hot pink and the Zomer. But yeah, I don't need it, I think. Get a little bit back of that light blue color and just stamp that on there. Just to make sure that it's really nice and blended. I'm just going in with that same light blue brush and I do the under eye with it and just let them meet in the middle. So now we can say we take a graphic liner on top of that line, but I don't like it because it's very sharp right now and it's how it's supposed to be. So I'm not going to wiggle or screw that up. I'm just going to slap on eyeliner. Okay, my eyeliner game isn't that strong and I really don't enjoy making them. Then I am going to put that also in the inner corner. Just pulling that straight out and then connecting it with the inner corner and you make a little pointy. So my eye is not that big and round anymore. It's more like a cat eye. I'm just elongating my eye. So this is how I like it a lot. So I don't need to put a eyeliner on top of my lash line anymore. This is just how I'm just going to keep it. Let me do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. I'm back fixing my mistake. It didn't go as planned with the eyeliner, but I made it and my eyeliner is dead on this moment, so I need to buy a new one. This is how it looks now. I'm just going to apply the mascara. I'm going to use the Tilbury Legendary Lashes Volume 2, I mean, not full, but volume. And I need a mirror for that. It's just to make them nice and black. And now the lower lash. I am using the Ardell Natural Lash. This is one of my favorite lashes. And I am using my new glue. It's not new in the market, but it is the Geo Latex Free, the green colored lash adhesive. So this one. And this one is really the best. The best I ever had on this moment. So, and I tried a whole lot. Black ones, normal ones, you name it, I tried it. So for the lips, I am using the Maybelline Superstay 20 Full Color in the color 185 Rose Dust. Yes, this is the perfect color to go with this look. And then I am using the Gloss Bomb from Fenty. Yes, just to give it that shine that it deserves. This was the tutorial for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my other videos. If you like a half cut crease or you want to see more or a total cut crease, just leave it down below in the description box and I will get into that. Or any color combination, nothing is too weird, so just leave it down there and I will check it out and see what I can do. For now, I leave you here and I hope to see you next time. Bye!